Hello all, welcome back to Aarogya Foods. Today, let's make spicy, flavorful and delicious paneer Thecha rice bowl, a perfect and easy lunchbox recipe packed with amazing flavors. So let's get into the video. First, add in a pan 1 teaspoon of oil, 5 to 6 garlic bones and 4 green chilies. Saute them on a low flame. To this, add half cup of peanuts and everything saute in a low flame until they are cooked well. Add all the ingredients step by step. Now add 1 tablespoon of jeera, again saute it well, and finally a few coriander leaves. After adding the coriander, do not overcook, just turn off the flame. With that heat only it will cook. Once this is done, transfer this to mortar and pestle. Crush them everything coarsely. Do not add it in a mixer as it will become a paste. So try to do it in a mortar and pestle. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil to the same pan and add the crushed masala, salt to taste and saute it in a low flame. Now for this add 150 grams of grated paneer. Once mix everything and then add the cooked rice, either cooked rice or leftover rice also you can use. Any rice can be used like basmati or sona masuri, whatever is available to you, you can add and mix them well and check the salt also at this stage. If required, you can add the salt. Once everything is mixed, finally a few coriander leaves, top it with and then turn off the flame. Now it's ready to be served. That's it. So whenever you're cooking with the stove, cook with the love. Every dish can be delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you again. Bye bye.